Right, we need to hear this clunking. That'll be it then. Does it more in a straight line, doesn't it? Make it clunk, Chloe.
Try.
Got the skid marks all over the field. Who's been doing that?
Dad.
There it is. That is the clunk. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video on Chloe's little Corsa. I tell you, these Audis are flipping prima donnas, aren't they? They want all of the limelight. Hang on. Aha! There we are. So basically, Chloe's car is making a noise when going over uneven ground. I don't know if I'm going to be able to replicate it. Yes, I can. So basically, we think it is droplinks. And on the back of that, I've bought some droplinks. And here we go. These are from EuroCarParts, Move. And they were supposed to be £15 each-ish. But then there's a discount. And we went, oh no, sorry, it's supposed to be £32 each, and we've got them for £15-ish each. So 30 quid for the pair. Probably better to replace the pair, because if this one's gone, the other one's probably not going to be far away, and to be honest, it's easier to change them if both wheels are off the ground, both front wheels are off the ground. Because if you've got one wheel down, obviously you are putting weight on the anti-roll bar, which will change position. It's easier if you can do it. And if you like what we're doing here, just take a couple of seconds, give us a thumbs up, please. Right, I'll try and replicate the sound. I don't know if you're able to see it, but you can definitely hear it. Let's get it up in the air and the wheels off and have a look. Here we go, and there is your drop links. And the one drop link, obviously there's one on either side, and to undo these, quite simple really. On this it's a 16mm on the back nut. That won't go on, but and then on the front on this one it's a 17. So I know on the new ones it's a 15 and a 16, so they may be different. I need to give these a spray with some WD first, and then we'll try rattling them off. We're under the wheel arch. That's the top bolt's got to come undone. That's the bottom one. I shall try and show you what I'm doing, but obviously it's really tight under here, so we'll see what happens anyway. So that's a 16. And I think it's actually a 17 on the back of this. The new ones have got an Allen key in the end, which makes it easier to put back on. I'll show you that when I get the other one. I've actually got the new one here, and you can see the Allen key in, well, the Allen key, the cap head in the end there. So it makes it easier to do it up and undo it, because these lands are quite small on this, because that's where the 16 or 15 would go. Can't remember what size. Let's crack on anyway. There it is, fitted in all its glory. And the old ones, they don't seem too bad, but they're quite loose. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, or I can feel it. There is movement in and out there. It's quite hard to see, but I can definitely feel movement. So that's good. Right. Let's get the wheels back on and put it on the floor. Right, here we go, all back together, all torqued up even, and now I'm giving it a rock. We are clunkless. Success. Here's the old ones we took off. Like I said, they're not horrendous. I mean, they are quite loose. And the one on the driver's side, I can't remember which one it was, that one, you can feel just a tiny bit of movement there. So worth doing, and yeah, we can forget about them for a while now. Right guys, that is it. I got a bit of a sweat on then. Woo. But yeah, all good, all done, quite an easy job. The spanner sizes may change a bit depending on what manufacturer you buy, but they're sort of all around the 15, 16, 17 mil sort of size. And I can't remember what the Allen key size was. Let me see. Got a magnet on it. That's 5 mil. So there's a 5 mil Allen key on that. It could have been a 6. But yeah, you get the idea. Standard toolkit will do it fine. But obviously when you're jacking up, make sure you're on axle stands or something secure, and don't have people jumping in and out of the car and things, because you don't want it falling on you. Luckily I haven't had that happen. I've had cars fall off jacks, but not ever with anybody underneath. So yeah, you be careful. Anyway, sorry, rambling on. Thank you so much for watching and coming along with another Corsa episode. Yeah, if it's any good to you, give us a thumbs up if you find it helpful or entertaining. Look us up on Instagram, larks_workshop. Probably put this on, you know, a few days ago, maybe a week ago, depending on how I can upload the videos, but always sneaky peeks going on Instagram. So check us out anyway. Like I said, thank you very much for coming along with us, and I hope to see you next time. Cheers then. Dad, me car's making a funny clunking noise. Oh yeah, Chloe, where's it coming from? Yeah, it sounds like the exhaust's falling off or something. Oh, when does that happen then? Yes, when you go over uneven ground or rough roads, it is. Sounds like your anti-roll bar drop links to me, Chloe. Yeah, I think it's definitely coming from the back. Drop links. We are now recording. Ah.